This error message appears when you attempt to install an application, and your Windows system is configured to only accept applications from the Microsoft Store. To resolve this issue, begin by right-clicking on the Start button and then selecting Settings. Once you are in the Settings window, click on Apps on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you will find an option labeled Advanced App Settings. Within Advanced App Settings, locate the option that says Choose Where to Get Apps. If this option is set to the Microsoft Store Only Recommended, you will encounter this error message. To prevent this pop-up, you can select any of the other available options. In my own setup, I have chosen Anywhere to allow the installation of apps from any source. However, for a safer approach, if you prefer to receive a prompt before installation, I recommend selecting the Microsoft Store Only Recommended. This way, you will get a pop-up notification, allowing you to decide whether or not to proceed with the app installation. This is how you can fix the error message. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.